Ah, engage or happily engage?
Sinong engage or happily engage? Jorly, ikaw sumagot.
Ano,
Engage ba siya or happily engage?
happily engaged. I don't see no ring on her finger. I don't see no ring on her finger. The fuck? Yahoo!
Oy, tara na.
Emote ko yan ah.
Luto na tayo. Tumayo na ang mga
Nagpalit
pogi.
ng ano eh, nagpalit ng emotes.
Okay. That's 1 minute.